Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. In this video, I will show you how to use wonton wrappers and yogurt to make these delicious, crispy, and creamy banana cream tarts. They're easy and fast to make. All you need is 15 minutes. Let's get started. First, mix cool melted butter with some ground cinnamon. Then brush this cinnamon butter onto a wonton wrapper and place it in a muffin pan cup. Make sure each wonton wrapper is open wide for the filling to go in easily. These wrappers get stiff quickly and will become less pliable, so it's best to work on one wonton wrapper at a time. I use this brand of wonton wrappers because I like how thin they are and they will get crispy quickly in the oven. You can definitely use other brands if you prefer. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 4 minutes or until they become golden brown. If you see any wonton cup not open wide enough after baking, gently open the cup while it is still hot. See how this cup is now bigger than before? Now let's work on the banana cream filling while the cups are cooling. Take a banana that's ripe but not overly ripe. Cut 6 coins and set them aside. Mash the rest of banana and add 6 ounces of vanilla flavored yogurt. This yogurt already has added sugar that gives enough sweetness to this banana cream filling without needing to add additional sugar. Place a banana coin at the bottom of each cooled wonton cup. This will give more banana flavor, and these banana coins will also help the bottom of these wonton tarts stay crispy for 2 hours. After you divide the filling into 6 wonton cups evenly, sprinkle more ground cinnamon on top if you like a stronger cinnamon flavor. Also, this recipe is versatile. Add other fruits on top or mix other types of yogurt and fruits together. Your options are endless. This crispy cinnamony wonton cup with the creamy banana and yogurt mixture. It is like eating a banana cream pie. Eat them as a snack or dessert. Either way, they're delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. Happy eating and see you next time.